Whenever people search for ways to make money online, one term always comes up: dropshipping. Some call it the easiest way to start an online business. Others say it's overrated. But what does dropshipping actually mean? If you look it up online, the definition is simple. Dropshipping is a type of e-commerce where the store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when someone places an order, the store buys the item from a supplier, and that supplier ships it directly to the customer. Let's break that down into simple words. In dropshipping, you sell products online without ever touching or storing them yourself. Your job is running the online shop and finding customers. The supplier takes care of the packaging and shipping. Here's an example. Imagine you create an online store selling phone cases. A customer orders one from your shop for $20. You don't have that phone case in a warehouse. Instead, you buy it from your supplier for $10, and the supplier ships it straight to your customer. You keep the $10 difference as profit. So why do people talk so much about dropshipping? Because it has some clear advantages like low startup cost. You don't need to buy stock in advance. Low risk. If no one buys, you don't lose money on inventory. Flexibility. You can sell products from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. But like every business model, it also has disadvantages like lower profit margins. Since suppliers handle most of the work, your profit per product is smaller. Less control. If a supplier ships late or sends a bad product, your customer will blame you. High competition. Many people sell the same items, so standing out can be hard. So, is dropshipping a good business model? The answer is, it depends. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, even though some people market it that way. But for beginners, it can be an easy way to learn about e-commerce without a big investment. To run a successful dropshipping store, you need more than just a website. You need to research good products, find reliable suppliers, and learn how to market your shop. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Wix make setting up an online store easy, and suppliers can be found on marketplaces like AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, or Oberlo. So to sum it up, dropshipping is a form of e-commerce where you sell products without keeping inventory. It has low risk and low startup costs, but also challenges like competition and slim margins. For some, it's a way to start an online business. For others, it's just the first step before moving on to bigger e-commerce models. If you want to learn more about online business and e-commerce, feel free to check out my other videos. And if you enjoyed this explanation, consider subscribing for more. See you next time.